Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LIFX app to create color effects for parties. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the app store suitable for your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type LIFX and press enter. Look for the official LIFX app in the search results. Check for the app's logo, which features a colorful light bulb design. Tap on the app to view more details. Review the app's description and ratings to ensure it's the correct one. For iPhone users, tap the Get button to initiate the download. Android users will see an Install button. Tap that to start downloading. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the LIFX app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're a new user, select the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Verify your email if necessary to complete the registration process. Once logged in, the app will prompt you to connect to your LIFX lights. Make sure your LIFX bulbs are powered on. Follow the instructions to connect the app to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can start customizing your lights. Explore the color effects available within the app. Select different modes, such as party, disco, or mood lighting. Adjust brightness and color intensity to match your desired atmosphere. Experiment with presets or create your own unique effects. Save your favorite settings for quick access during your party. Now you're ready to enjoy vibrant lighting with the LIFX app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.